Hi, in the last video, we have seen that we can create multiple projects in Google Machine Learning Engine using our Drupal module. In this video, I will be demonstrating the abstraction we have created for the prediction output. In this video, let me explain you the abstraction we have created to format the prediction output. First, let me explain you the context of creating that abstraction. I have asked a question in Stack Overflow, can we predict image caption using machine learning engine? In this question, I was eager to ask the response of that prediction. In the reply, I got a prediction as an array of objects. In that array, its index is caption and its corresponding value is an array. So these array values combine to form a sentence: the, quick, brown, etc. Now let's see the predictions we got for census project we have done. In this we can see in the probabilities we got an array. The array index corresponding to 0 implies the income category is less than 50k, and array index 1 corresponding to income category greater than 50k. And the array value is the probability of being into that class. These two examples show that the prediction response can vary widely with the TensorFlow code we use. We have created a plugin system to deal with this wide range of prediction responses. Let's go to the project page and see it in action. We have created a prediction settings page. Here, the user can choose from the prediction formatters. These formatters come from the plugins we have created. Now we have two to choose from: census and classification. For this project, let's choose classification first. Let's save it. We have a predict page. Here we can give the attribute values for prediction. Remember that we have choose classification as the prediction formatter. Let's predict it. We can see the response we got is class 0. This is because we have set the plugin classification. What it does is that it just outputs the index corresponding to the last probability. Now let's choose sensor settings. This formatter is made particularly for this project, census project. Let's make a prediction. It says that his income category is less than 50k. Now let's give a look at our code base. We can see a prediction settings base.php file. It extends plugin base class, which means prediction settings is a plugin type. It has two methods: label and format. Format method is an abstract function, which means every plugin that extends prediction settings base should have their own format function. Now let's move to our plugin folder. Under ML Engine, we can see two files: census and classification. First, let's see the classification. After getting prediction from Google Machine Learning Engine, we pass that response to this format function. Here we call it as item. In this, We will find the index corresponding to the maximum probability value, that's index, and we return that index. Let's see how it is different from the census plugin we have. It's almost same. It will find the index corresponding to the maximum probability value, and it will check for whether it is 0 or 1. If it is 0, it will return income category is less than $50. Otherwise, it will respond greater than $50. Since Census is a plugin created particularly for this Census project, it is having these checks. Now, let's add a sample plugin and check whether it is reflected in our project page. We have a sample.php.zip in this plugin folder. Let's unzip it. We can see it's a plugin of type prediction settings. Its ID is sample and its label is also sample. This format function will return some response, a string some response for any input item. So let's see this in action. Let's close it and let's move to our project page. Let's flush our cache. Let's go to prediction settings and see the prediction formatters. We got a new formatter, sample. Let's save it and let's go to prediction tab and let's predict. And we can see it gives some response. Thank you.